Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on gold versus the dollar, ever since we had the end of this perfect ABC correction right here, definitely looks like a nice wave 1, wave 2, and I still think we're in a wave 3. Most likely place for wave 3s to go is usually the minimum, the 161.8, which is why I'm still very bullish. I still think it needs to finish a wave 3, probably around the 25.50, 25.60, before we make a big wave 4 and a wave 5. So keeping that in mind because that's a very important pattern to keep in mind. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave 1. I think this is a wave 2. I think that ever since that it is a subdivision of a wave 3. Probably a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and then it needs to go up towards the 161.8 for a wave 5 of wave 3. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this whole thing is likely a wave 4 of wave 3. It does kind of resemble an ABCDE, or either that or it's just an ABC correction to this last push up. Either way, it should be the same outcome, which is that hopefully this is going to break out, probably do a retest, and just keep on going up. I think this is a 3, I think this is a 4, and I think it needs to go up for a wave 5 of wave 3, and I think the wave 5 of 3 is likely to go up to around the 25.50 area. So, heading right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can start to see that this is almost a perfect five-way pattern right here, which makes you think that it possibly is a wave 1 or maybe a wave A. I would think that this would actually go down again, to take out that low for a wave 2, and then it's probably going to go up and try to break structure or break this trend line. Hopefully it goes up for 1, 2, 3 and confirms that this really is the end of a correction, end of a wave 4, and the beginning of a big uptrend for a 1, 2, 3 of wave 5. So heading right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for three-way pullbacks, and I guess technically it did kind of take out the low of wave 4. So possibly it already made an ABC correction, and possibly it's just going to keep on trending up. The fact that the higher time frames look like they're going up tells me that I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend right now. Now, I would think logically that this would actually be an ABC or B based on the 4 hour time frame, and that this would be like a wave A, that would be like three waves of wave B, and potentially it would turn down, maybe to the 50 or the 61.8 for wave C before it actually does go up. So I'm always trying to keep the bullish and the bearish version in mind. I do see that there's a possibility this just keeps on going up, especially if it is a wave 3 on the higher time frames. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. So if it is a wave 3, then it is likely it will just keep on going up. But if it does what a normal Elliot wave pattern should do, then it probably will make an A, a B, and then go down for a C before it actually does end up continuing up. Probably a 1, probably a 2, and then a wave 3 of wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.